this is a video on how to enter the NFC cards back if they were erased. So turn on the scooter. Once the scooter is on, use the super card and keep it for about 3-4 seconds until it changes to LU. Once it's changed to LU, I'm just gonna show again. Let me turn it off. So this card is working and this card is not working now. We just erase this card and turn it off, and show this card is not working. It's not turning on the scooter. In this case, we use the super card. So we put it for about 3 to 4 seconds until it changed to LU, and then the card that is not working, we put it on an NFC and we wait for 3 flashes. 1, 2, 3, and then we remove, wait until it goes back into the voltmeter, and then use it again, and then now it should be working. So now both are working. Working.